In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ruler units in Photoshop. This is a quick but essential workflow tip that keeps your measurements accurate and your designs consistent, whether you're working for screen or for print. First, make sure your rulers are visible. Look up to the View menu and choose Rulers. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on a Mac. You'll see rulers appear along the top and the left sides of your canvas. If nothing shows up, try the shortcut again, or double check that you're looking at the document window and not a different panel. With the rulers visible, move your cursor directly onto one of them, either the top ruler or the left ruler. Don't click on the canvas itself. The right spot is right on the ruler edge. Now right click. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works. And if your device doesn't have a secondary click, use your system's alternative right-click method. A small menu will pop up right where you clicked. From that menu, choose the measurement unit you want. You'll see options like pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, picus, and percent. The moment you pick one, the rulers will update instantly and all on-screen measurements and guides will reflect the unit you selected. Here's how to decide what to use. Pixels are ideal for digital graphics, web design, and anything that's primarily viewed on screens. Inches are great for print layouts, photo prints, or when you're matching physical dimensions. Centimeters and millimeters give you precise metric control, often preferred in international print workflows or technical layouts. Points and picus are typography-friendly units common in editorial and layout design. Points measure font sizes and fine typographic spacing, while picus help with column widths and longer measurements in a clean, print-oriented way. Percent can be useful when you want measurements relative to the overall document size, helpful in certain responsive or proportional design scenarios. If the menu doesn't appear when you right-click, make sure your cursor is over the ruler itself. You can switch units as often as you need. It won't affect the actual content of your document, only how measurements are displayed. This makes it easy to work in pixels while designing and then switch to inches or centimeters to verify print dimensions before exporting. Guides, transformations, and info readouts will follow the unit you've chosen, giving you consistent feedback as you work. That's it. Show the rulers, right-click on the ruler area, and pick the unit that best matches